guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about insurance. What is insurance? Director Officer Liability Insurance Protect Organization. Usually a corporation firm associated with irrigation resulting from errors might be director or officer or which they are illegal. Environmental liability or environmental payment insurance protects the insurance from bodily injury, property damage, and clean outside as a result of reversal related to escape of pollution. Error and omission insurance is business liability insurance from professionals such as insurance agent, real estate agent, and broker, architects, third-party administration, and other business professionals. Risk indemnity insurance protect the insurance from giving away life risk at a specific event. Example, balls includes offering prize the consultant bukan bawa hak sports, some other basketball game or in one out above tournament. Professional liability insurance also called professional indemnity insurance protects insurance professionals as electrical corporation and medical pollution agents. Potential neglect claims may be the patient or clients. Professional liability insurance may take on different terms depending on the profession. For example, professional liability insurance is refers to the medical profession, may be called medical malpractice insurance. Often a commercial insurance liability insurance program consists of several layers. The first layer of insurance generally consists of primary insurance. This provides $1 indemnity for judgment and installment of the daily limits of liability for the primary policy. Generally, primary insurance is subject to identifiable and obligations to the insurer given the insurance other losses, which is normally consequently essential to control and given the insurance in many cause instance. A commercial insurance may is equal to self-insurance above the primary insurance or self-insurance retention. The insurance may have one or more lines of expense insurance to provide cover additional limits of indemnity protection. There are variety of types of asset insurance including stand-alone, excess policy that function dead on terms, a condition as exclusion follow from asset insurance, a policy that follow from the terms of the policy after the special profit. And umbrella insurance policy access instance that is some risk to much called profit coverage that is broader than underlying insurance. Credit insurance requires some of the amount when the borrower is insolvent. Mortgage insurance insures the lender against default by the borrower. Mortgage insurance is a form of credit insurance, although the name credit insurance more often used to refer to policies that cover obligations of debt. Money, credit cards offer payment protection plans which are the form of credit insurance. Credit insurance is business insurance cover the account receivable of the insurer. The policy pays the policy to cover accounts receivable of the debtor in place of payment. Collateral insurance, protection insurance from insurance property primarily vessel, held as collateral of loss made in lending execution. Cyber insurance is a business claims insurance product intended to provide cover to the corporation from interest-based risks, more generally from risks relating to the information technology infrastructure, information policy, information governance liability, and artificial terror. Our risk insurance is an insurance that covers every range of accident and peril as well as not in the policy. Our risk insurance is different from peril-specific insurance that covers loss from only those that is peril in the policy. In car insurance, our risk policy includes also the damage caused by the owner. While stock insurance covers individual hurts, a number of hurts under common ownership are covered is typical mostly as a result of accident. Illness or disease both may extend to include inventory, interest loss, veterinary fees, and the professional cost. Business interruption insurance covers the loss of income. The expats insurance after the cover by the instruments for normal business operation. People's Bus DBA insurance profit coverage for civil wars held by the government to perform contract outside the United States and Canada. DBA is required for all U.S. citizens, U.S. residents, U.S. green card holder, and the employers or supervision held on people's government contract. Depending on the country, for national laws, we also be covered under DBA. This cover typical includes as per to medical treatment and loss of risk as well as disability of this. Okay guys, this is previous question about insurance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.